In this video I'm going to show you how to download from Terabox link. So when you click the Terabox link, the link will open in the browser. In the browser you will see the file name. To download this file you wanna need to click view on the Terabox app button. So I'm clicking the view on the Terabox app button. Now you can see the file will redirect and open in my Terabox app. If you don't have the Terabox app in your device, then you will be redirected in Play Store. From there you need to download the Terabox app. After finishing the download, you want to log in or create account in Terabox app. After creating account in Terabox app, you need to go to the previous link or previous page. In that page, you need to click on the view on the Terabox app button again. Then you will see your file is open in your Terabox app. So now you need to click on the save to Terabox button. After clicking the save to Terabox button, you need to select where you need to save the file. So I'm selecting the folder called 1. After selecting the path or folder where I need to save the file, just click the save button. Now you will see my file is saved successfully. So I close the box and go to the folder option. So now go to the file where you save the file. Now you can see the file was saved in your Terabox cloud storage. Now you want to click and hold the file. After selecting the file, you will find the download option. Now you want to select download to local. So I am selecting the download to local option. Now you can see my file is start downloading. Now see the file is start downloading. So that's how you can able to download from Terabox. If you have any question or inquiries, then please tell that in the comment box below. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.